Hey guys, today let's learn to use ChatGPT to make YouTube videos. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and use ChatGPT to create YouTube videos, how do you do so? Well, all we need to basically do in order for us to create YouTube videos using ChatGPT is pretty easy, because all we need to do this is to basically go ahead first and access ChatGPT on our favorite browsers by searching for ChatGPT and then tapping on their website and tapping on Try ChatGPT. So once we're already here, of course, you do need to go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. But once you're already done with logging into your accounts, all we need to do next if we want to go ahead and create some YouTube videos is of course asking ourselves what we want to do for us. If in the case that we want to create YouTube videos, let's ask the ChatGPT to create a YouTube script for us. Or you could also create something like maybe a script or a video editing flow for us. So we could use ChatGPT to do that for us, guys, to help us make our YouTube videos, and the possibilities are endless. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.